Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this wig for one of my girlfriends. Definitely starting on clean hair, so I'm just washing her up and then I'm going to dry her hair off, roll her hair back, and then we can get started.
Sometimes I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you?
Now that her hair is rolled back, I'm just oiling up her braids just so that she doesn't experience dry scalp during this time that she's wearing this wig. Now time for my favorite part of this process. For whatever reason, I don't know, but it's time to bring out that freeze spray. Just going in with my razor and just cutting out her ears, and then I'm gonna go back over it with the freeze spray just so that, you know, everything is melted very well. Now I'm going in with my foundation, but I realized later that I should probably have put the foundation over the whole cap versus just that one spot, but she said that she would only part her hair, she would only be parting her hair in the middle. So yeah, you know, trial and error, you live and you learn.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love.
At this point, I definitely realized that I should have added more foundation, but for whatever reason, I didn't add the foundation before I put the Got to Be Glued on. I should have, you know, but like I say, trial and error.
Too high, darling, can I live it up with you? I know that flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you?
Now it's time for the hair. So trying to put the hair on, I'm definitely trying to make sure that the hair is pulled taut where there wouldn't be any bumps, because when there's bumps in your lace, that's a recipe for disaster. And at this point, I'm not completely gluing the hair down. I'm not gonna glue the very front of the lace because I still want to do some adjustments to it, but some of it is glued.
Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes.
Almost done. Time to take out those baby hairs. So after I take out the baby hairs, I'll be tweezing the hair a little. What I did realize after is that I should have parted the hair horizontally in the front and tweezed a little in the back of it, just so that it wasn't so thick and unnatural, just to make it more natural.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies. I just wanna know the truth. Do or die.
Now I'm just going in with my razor again and cutting off the excess lace and the excess hair. Then I'm gonna be basically trimming down the baby hairs that I've picked out.
Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know that it might be tough. I know when you're had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know that it might be tough. I know when you're had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies. I just wanna know the truth. Do or die. I made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know that it might be tough. I know when you're had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you?
Alright, time to style our baby hair. So what I'm doing is taking my foam firstly, and I'm just gonna go over the front, put my foam on, style my baby hairs with swoops, and then I'm just gonna tie it down, put the dryer on it for a bit, and we will be back.
Tell me lies. I just wanna know the truth. Do or die. Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. Darling, can I live it up with you? I know that it might be tough. I know when you're had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live
So one last step, and that is to add the concealer to the part. But instead of concealer, I'm using my foundation because I didn't have any concealer that was I want to say dark enough to actually blend in.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies. I just wanna know the truth. Do or die.
And this is the complete look, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I feel as if I did a good job for my first time actually installing a wig onto someone else's head. I think I did a pretty good job. If you guys have any tips, any comments, you know, to leave those. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, help your girl out with that subscribe and the like button. Thank you, beauties. See you next time.